Introducing the Jucoan 50-pack Kraft Cupcake Box with insert and window. This versatile and practical product is perfect for anyone in the baking or pastry industry. Included in this pack are 50 craft paper bakery boxes, each with a 6-cavity insert. The boxes are shipped flat, making them easy to store and assemble. No glue is needed, ensuring a hassle-free setup. When assembled, the cupcake holder box measures 9.5 by 6.25 by 3 inches, with a hole insert diameter of 2 to 2.5 inches. This size is ideal for standard cupcakes, providing a secure fit that prevents any damage during transportation. One of the standout features of these cupcake boxes is that they are made from food-grade craft paper. This material is not only safe and reliable, but also highly durable. You can trust that your pastries will be well protected during delivery or display. In addition, the cupcake box is designed with a clear window at the top. This allows you to proudly display your delicious pastries while keeping them fresh and inviting. Your customers or recipients will be able to see the treats inside without having to open the box, making for a visually appealing presentation. These dessert boxes are a fantastic option for takeaway orders in bakeries, pastry shops, and cafes. They are perfectly sized for packaging small cakes, cupcakes, pies, pasties, desserts, donuts, cookies, and other sweets. They can also be used as gift boxes for various items, adding a touch of elegance to your presents. Please note that this product is intended for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. Please check compatibility before making a purchase. The Jucoan 50-pack Kraft Cupcake Box with insert and window is a must-have for anyone in the baking industry. With its convenient features and durable construction, you can package your treats with confidence. Order yours today and see the difference it makes in your business.